This is a tutorial for fraction. Let's start. So number 1, simplify 3/6. So 3 is half of 6. So it is already known that it is 1/2. But let's say we do it normally. So we want to find the highest common factor between 3 and 6. So what's that? So 3 can be divisible by 3 and 1. 6 can be divisible by 1, 3, and 6. So 1 and 3 are the common factors, and 3 is the highest one here. So we should divide both the numerator and denominator by 3. And we have, so divide this by 3 is 1, dividing this by 3 is 2, and we have 1/2. More on highest common factor HCF and LCM in other videos. Okay. Number 2, 8/12. So both of them are divisible by 4 and 2 and 1. So 4 is the highest here. So let's use 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So we have 2/3. The simplest form. Number 3, 14/21. Both of them are divisible by 7. So let's use 7. And we have 14 divided by 7 is 2. 21 divided by 7 is 3. Oh, by the way, for this tutorial, you can use a calculator to aid the calculation. Number 4, 10/25. Both of them are divisible by 5. So let's do 10 is divided by 5 is 2. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 2/5. Okay. 5, 9/12. So both of them are divisible by 3. So let's use that. It will be 3. 12 divided by 3 will be 4. 3/4. Okay. And for this one, both of them are divisible by 11. So if you remember the multiplication table up to 12, then you know this one. So 22 divided by 11 is 2. 121 divided by 11 is 11. So we have 2/11. Okay. Next, arrange the terms in ascending order. So ascending order is from smallest to largest. Okay. So in here we have 1/3, 1/4, and 1/5. Okay. So without doing anything, by observation, you may be able to see that 1/5 is actually the smallest. So you go from 1/5 and then followed by 1/4 and then 1/3, because all of these are one fraction of the pizza, but this one is divided by 5 into 5 equal portion. This one only 3. Oh, the whole pizza is 3 fraction. This one, the whole pizza is 5 fraction. Of course, this one is larger. Okay. And this one is the smallest. This one in between. Okay. But let's say we try to prove it on paper. So we have to put them in onto the same pizza, okay, without changing their value. So 1/3, if I expand it by actually their lowest common multiple is 60. 20 is okay for 4 and 5 but not 3. 30 is okay for 3 and 5 but not 4. So 60 will be okay for all of them. So I have to turn 3 into 60 by multiplying 20. Okay. And we have 20 over 60. And then similarly, I do this to 1 over 4. If I want to turn it into 60, I have to multiply it by 15. Okay. So 60, and the denominator will be 15. Okay, 1 times 15 is 15. 4 times 15 is 60. And then I'll do it similarly, I'll do it for 1 over 5. If I want to turn it into 60, it's multiplied by 12. So, okay, 5 times 12 is 60. And 1 times 12 is 12. Okay. So then now we can compare. So actually, on the same pizza, 103 has the most portion, 20 portion, followed by 104, which has 15 portion, and 105 has 12 portion. So in ascending order, which means this go first, 105 go first. So 105 is smaller than 104, is smaller than 103. Okay. And number 8. So this one is less obvious. So which one is the smallest, which one is the largest? So now we can use the same method here by using the common denominator method. So let's do it. So 2 over 3 turn it into 60, again is 20. 60 over 40. 2 times 20 is 40. 3 over 4 multiplied by 15 over 15. 4 times 15, 60. 3 times 15, 45. And then 4 over 5 multiplied by 12 over 12. This is 60. And then 4 times 12 is 48. Okay. Oh, so actually 4 over 5 is the largest and 2 over 3 is the smallest. So in ascending order, put the smallest one first. 2 over 3 is smaller than 3 over 4, is smaller than 4 over 5. Okay. This symbol is read as is smaller than. So this one is smaller than this. This one is smaller than this. Okay. Number 9. So these are fractions, but the denominator is 1. So which means they were integers. So I can just transform this into integers. So this is a 6, -7, -9. Because anything over 1 is itself. Because anything over 1 means anything is divided by 1. So divided by 1 is does not change anything. So yeah. And then we can arrange them in ascending order. So the smallest one will be -9, followed by -7, and the largest number here is 6. So -9 is more than -7 is more than 6. Okay. Here we have 3 negative fractions with different denominators. So let's look for their lowest common multiples. So 12 will be a good one. Okay. So let's turn them into. So to turn this fraction into a fraction with denominator of 12, I need to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 3. So there will be 3 over 3. It's be negative 12. 3 over 12. And then I have negative 5 over 6. I want the denominator to be 12. So multiply both the denominator and the denominator by 2. This will be negative 12 and 10 as the denominator. And let's do the 2 over 3 negative. So I want to turn this into a fraction with the denominator as 12. I have to multiply both the above and bottom by 4. And we have negative 12. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay, so these three are actually negative 3 over 12, negative 10 over 12, and negative 8 over 12. So the smallest one will be the one with the largest denominator, because they're negative numbers. So, which means this guy is the smallest. Then this guy is the largest, so this one will be in between. It's more than negative 8 over 12. It's more than negative 3 over 12. However, we are asked to arrange the terms in like this. Also, these are not their simplest form. So let's change them back to their simplest form. This will be the negative 5 over 6. This will be the negative 2 over 3. And this will be the negative 1 over 4. Okay. Next, question 11. So now is evaluation. You have to find the value of this expression. So all of these three terms, positive 5 over 11, negative 7 over 11, positive 4 over 11, all have the same denominator of 11. So they're already on the same pizza. Then we can put them on the same denominator. So this will equals to positive 5, negative 7, positive 4 over 11. Okay. And we have positive 5 and negative 7 is negative 2. So negative 2, positive 4, which means this negative 2 positive 4 is positive 2. So in the end we have positive 2 for 11. Okay. And number 12. Negative 4 over 19, negative 7 over 19, and positive 11 over 19. Again, they are on the same pizza. So we have negative 4, negative 7, positive 11, and 19. So we have these two is negative 11, positive 11, and 19. That will be 0 over 19. So 0. So what is this? So on a pizza that is divided into 19 equal fractions, we have none of the pizza, which means we do not have any value in terms of pizza, which means it's a 0. So it's also true for 0 over anything. 0 over 2, 0 over 4, 0 over 6. All of them are 0. Okay. And number 13. We have 1 over 4 positive, positive 1 over 12, positive 5 over 12. So these two are on the same pizza, but 1 over 4 is not. So let's change that. To turn 4 into 12, we have to multiply by 3. So multiply both the numerator and denominator by 3. And then copy the rest. We have to do multiplication first. So 3 over 12, 1 over 12, 5 over 12. Now they're on the same pizza. So we have 3, 1, 5, 12. This is a 9. So we have 9 over 12. Almost. This is not the simplest form. So we should give the answer in the simplest form. This is both of them can be divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we have 3 over 4. Okay. So now we need to turn this fraction into a fraction with 15 as a denominator, because the rest has 15 as a denominator. So we have 5 multiplied by 3 will be 15. We have negative 2 over 15, positive 9 over 15, positive 4 over 15. Now they are on the same pizza. So negative 2, positive 9, positive 4 over 15. These two will be positive 7. Positive 7, positive 4 will be positive 11. So we have positive 11 over 15. And this is the simplest form, because the factors of 11 are 1 and 11, and the factor of 15 is 1 and 15. So the highest common factor will be 1. But if we divide both of them by 1, we did nothing. So it is the simplest form. Okay, number 15. We have 3 fractions added together with different denominators. So first of all, their lowest common multiple will be 12. Yes. 24 is fine, but 12 is smaller. So let's use 12. To turn 1 over 3 into a fraction with denominator of 12, we have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 4. Then we're multiplying by 1, so we did not change the value. And plus positive 1 over 4. Turn this into 12. We have to multiply by 3. And turn this into 12. We have to multiply by 2. Okay. And we have 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. Now they're on the same pizza. So we have, this is 4, 3, and 2. All positives are positive 9. So we're positive 9 over 12. And this is not a simplest form, because both of them are divisible by 3. So 3, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 12 divided by 3 is 4. So we have 3 over 4. Okay. Lastly, we have these 3 fractions. So can we use 10 as the common denominator? Good for these two, but not for this one. Can we use 20? Good for these two, but not for 15. So we have to use 30. 30 will be the lowest common multiple. Okay. And let's use 30. This is negative 2 over 5. To turn this into 30, we have to multiply by 6. Positive 3 over 10. Turning this into 30 as a denominator, multiply by 3 and 3. And turning this into 30, multiplied by 2 for both the numerator and the denominator. Now, it's negative 2 and positive 6 multiplied together, so this will be still negative. And we have negative 12 over 30. And positive 3 times 3 is 9. 9 over 30. 3 times 2. That should be 6 over 30. Oh, now they're on the same pizza. Then we have negative 12, positive 9, positive 6 over 30. So negative 12, positive 9 will be negative 3. Negative 3, positive 6 will be positive 3. Three over 30. So both of them are divisible by 3. So simplifying, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 30 divided by 3 is 10. And we have our answer is positive 1 over 10. Okay. So next, we talk about LCM and HCF as a technique video. Okay, see you in the next video.